The time is 10:22. It's Friday, September 27th, 1985. We're about 2 hours away from the main part of the hurricane. And this is what it looks like just about now. It's a lot of rain, it's not too much wind, and everything so far seems to be intact. We're getting grass here. I hope we still have the grass after it's over. If you can look into the pool, you might see that it's just about at the top. Oops. Focus here. Focus on something here. See if we can focus on the pool here. Alright, there it is. That's the real pool again. Having a little difficulty here. Alright, there we go. We're just about full. I guess after this the pool starts overflowing. Winds seem to come and go. There's some of the trees. So far so good. We'll be getting back shortly with another report. Don't go out there, Diana. Okay, it's now 12 o'clock. Looks like it's almost over, huh? There's the pool. Trees, that looks pretty good. What? It did. Well, that's about it, I guess. Diana. Okay, Diana.
Diana, come and ride your horsey. Ride the horsey. I am Swaggy. Come find me.
Diana. What happened?
Where is she? Come and ride the horsey. Come here. Can I film?
No.
There. Come on, I'll sit in the chair. I won't drop it. Don't dolly. Don't dolly. Here. Film.
Low light, I could barely see.
So?
Diana. Hi. Hello.
Wave to Daddy.
Diana.
Where's Daddy?
Go play the piano. Diana, go play the piano for everybody.
You want to play the piano?
Go play the piano.
Did you get it that time?